We're going in depth tonight. A newly formed board is starting to give out its first round of opioid recovery awards. The board, made up of 9 members from across South Carolina, is in charge of hundreds of millions of dollars that the state is receiving from opioid-related settlements. The hope is the money will be used to help address the opioid crisis, which they say was caused in part by the very people who are paying out these settlements.
Fox Carolina's Zach Perlutsky shares how people here in the upstate are using part of those funds to fight the crisis.
Tori and Justin, there are 2 types of funds the South Carolina Opioid Recovery Fund Board, or the SCORF Board for short, will be giving out money through: the Guaranteed Political Subfund and the Discretionary Fund. Now, in the first round of awards, 18 applicants from cities and counties across South Carolina got a total of $4.5 million, including some places right here in the upstate trying to make a difference.
Right now is the most severe substance use disorders that we've ever seen.
For 50 years, Behavioral Health Services of Pickens County has been helping the community through prevention, intervention, and treatment.
People are truly dying every single day, even more so than they ever have.
The nonprofit serves as the county authority on substance abuse in Pickens County.
It is really wonderful to have an opportunity to work together with amazing people in our community and really be able to make a difference and move forward.
A few years ago, one of their most successful programs was helping inmates at the Pickens County Detention Center who struggle with substance use by providing a full-time clinician, peer support specialist, and medications.
Had some amazing results.
But that program was halted when funding stopped, and is now being resurrected, thanks to a $182,000 award from the South Carolina Opioid Recovery Fund.
Things that we know have evidence of working, that there's a good system in place, and that there's also a way to evaluate the outcomes.
Martine Halou Allen is one of the board's 9 members. A prevention advocate herself, she says nobody on the board is taking the responsibility of putting hundreds of millions of dollars in the correct places to fight the opioid crisis lightly.
Nothing can ever replace a loved one. Nothing can ever replace lost time. But what we want you to know is that we care, and we want to make a correction, and we want to use this opportunity to do that.
Hopefully these funds will give us an opportunity to get out there and create more action and more change that needs to occur.
Now, the total amount of money the SCORF Board will be handling over the next several years, probably decades, will most likely change with more potential lawsuits and settlements in the future, but that number is already in the hundreds of millions of dollars. To learn more about their work, just go to foxcarolina.com. For now, reporting Zach Perlutsky, Fox Carolina News.